Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step process on how to disable Vibrate for news notifications on the X app. If you've been finding those constant buzzing alerts a little distracting, this quick guide will help you take control and adjust your settings so you can stay informed without the unnecessary vibration. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your device settings. This is where all the customization for your apps and notifications begins. From here, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you a complete list of every app installed on your phone. Next, find the X app within the list and tap on it. Once inside, you'll see several options related to the app itself, such as storage, permissions, data usage, and of course notifications. For what we need, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice a feature called Notification Categories. This is a useful way of separating different types of alerts sent by the app. Instead of turning everything on or off, you can fine-tune what matters to you. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. Now, once you're here, look for the option labeled News. This is the category that specifically controls notifications related to breaking stories and updates. Go ahead and tap on News to open its individual settings. At this point, you'll see a series of options that allow you to customize how these notifications behave. One of the toggles you'll notice is for Vibrate. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why your phone buzzes each time news comes through. To stop that, simply toggle off the Vibrate option. And that's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for news notifications on the X app. From now on, you'll still receive the updates, but without the constant buzzing that can be disruptive during meetings, quiet moments, or while you're just relaxing. Remember, you can always return to these settings anytime and make adjustments if your preferences change. Taking a few minutes to tailor your notifications can make a big difference in how smoothly your phone fits into your daily life. Thanks for following along.